Right, guys, I was in the middle of creating a video, and look at that. Here. Move that way. Open the window. Anything. It's raining. Anything that way? Oh, no. Right. So. This is a new hobby that I've picked up. Storm watching. Yes, I know it's the pinnacle of all dads. But currently I'm trying to figure out where the storm's heading and where... Oh. Yeah, we can see that. That's a big one. I've hopped down to the roof. Do you think I'll be able to get a better view? Okay. Keep your eyes on that skyline. Now I'm going to turn the sound up a lot more, so I'd suggest you be wearing headphones. I know, that was just the neighbour's dog. Whoa, that was a big one. Whoa. That's just a light. Waiting for the thunder. This will probably be episode 1. You won't see these episodes so often since, unlike America, the UK don't get that many thunderstorms. What? I don't see that many thunderstorms either. Yeah, I love a little one. Here, hold on a second. Right, I've just turned my lights off. Bloody hell. Steaming Odin. Lights turned off so you'll be able to see the thunder better. Turn your headphones up as well. Whoa, another. Right. I have to drop my phone, it's over. Oh, sky's gonna light up in 3, 2, 1. No? And sing. I'm sorry, did we all just not see that? Ugh. Well, I'm sitting down now. Trying to figure out what sound the thunder would sound like. Well, smoke me down with bacon, boy. I swear, when I wasn't looking, I might have Yo, someone take a picture of, actually. No, I'm making that my cover. Whoa! What the hell, lads? Right. Another one. Right. Keep you in the window now. I can't trust you. Whew. Thunder strikes, mate. Thunder. Thunder. Right, we're gonna just open that. Well, riddle me down and smoke me with ham. I wonder how my dad's doing right now. I really wonder how he's doing. Right. So, Thor's lighting up the sky, isn't he? Yes. Well, could really film this all night. But I don't have all night. I have a bedtime. So we're going to film it up to the 10-minute marker. Or better yet, because you're my favourite people, 20. Come on, how many times you've seen that dog? Okay, Thor. Okay, Thor. Okay. My gods. He's angry. After this, it's just a light, guys. It's just a light. No. Never mind. He left the light on. Man turned it from night time to daytime. Wow. Holy moly macaroni. I'm looking away for like 2 seconds. Well. Sorry about me talking so much. It's been a while ever since we had a thunderstorm. Yep. I'm sleeping through that. Oh, you just read my thought. What? We all seen that, didn't we? Oh. When the scoop. Yeah. Coming close. It's not raining as much now, so I'm gonna take it down. Right. I'm gonna put this on a YouTube video. Think it's above us? Yeah, I'm definitely putting this on YouTube.
Yeah, over that way.
It's morely that way, and some parts over there you could You know, some legends say that that thunder and lightning actually comes from Thor striking his hammer on a giant. Thunder comes from the whacking, and the lightning is Mjolnir.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was a sheep, was it?
I mean,
There'll be strikes above it, but we're only seeing sheep.
yeah, but it's it's still better than nothing.
There's too much cloud cover. Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
Breaks through the clouds.
It's when it breaks through the clouds, then what? Scream and run.
Then you'll see the faults of the lightning.
Forks and the lightning go, whoa. I nearly slipped.
Why would it break through the clouds?
Actually, I think I seen I seen a fork. Once I go through this and edit it, I'll send you the photo of what I think is a fork.
Ooh,
Ooh, lighting up the sky.
blinded me, huh? Wow.
You know, this really confirms it. Nature is beautiful. Ooh, it was more over that. Sean, if you look over there a little bit.
Yeah,
What was
I know,
that?
it's going right the way round on the trail.
Yeah.
The next one.
Yeah, we don't get that many.
I was right above us then,
My eyes. If it's right up. No, I say it's more angled. It's angled, Mum.
Yeah.
Yep.
That thunder's right above us. Not gonna last long, is it?
Yeah, but at least we
Don't
get.
forget, we've got the one up from Birmingham as well, so it might be circling. You get like in the middle sort of thing.
Oh, that hit. Or you're just getting your phone. Oh.